children, today I will tell you a story of letter C. A story which has lots of letter C in it, lots of sound K in it. Letter C, sound K. So, let's start the story. Christy, cat, and Cooper, crow are friends. Christy is coward, but Cooper is courageous. Once they saw a cow crying for help. The calf of the cow had a cactus thorn pierced in its leg. The calf had a cactus thorn pierced in its legs. So, Christy, who was coward, was afraid of cactus thorns, and Cooper was courageous and he wanted to help. So Cooper, the crow, took out the cactus thorn with its beak. And now the cow and the calf are very happy. The cow and the calf are very happy. So now the cow thought of gifting Cooper crow and Christy cat some gifts. So it went to the farm and the cow bought a cabbage, a cauliflower, some capsicums, and some carrots, and gifted them to Christy cat and Cooper crow. So now Christy cat learned to be courageous and help others. So children, you see, we should always be trying to help others and not be afraid of whatever will happen. Okay? So helping others, when one helps others, God helps us. Okay? So you like the story, you enjoyed the story, and see so many things they got in gift. Cauliflower, capsicum, carrots, and cabbage. So many vegetables the cow gifted to Christy and Cooper. So you like the story, and always make it sure that you eat lots of vegetables. Okay children, bye bye.